Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to talk about best work from home jobs. One of them is online teaching. So you can literally work as an online teacher teaching your craft. So Udemy, as you can see here, is one of the most famous platforms where you can teach online. And there are many topics that you can choose from to teach. For example, web development, or in terms of business like finance, entrepreneurship, sales, marketing, or in accounting, anything. There are so many different categories where you can teach. So it's like for everyone. So not only for web developers or SEO specialist, you can teach like also traveling, like writing, copywriting, journalist, anything. So the categories are really broad. Also in music, like how to play the guitars, for example. And in this platform, Rob Percival earns one of the most. So he earns like $1 million per year because he has so many students, like almost 2 million students, and very good reviews. So this is one way to work online or work from home. The good thing about it, you can work literally anywhere in the world and whenever you want to. So this kind of freedom and flexibility is really nice. And you can earn like more than any normal regular 9-to-5 jobs. Next, one of the other way to make money from home is to be a freelance writer. So you can, for example, on Medium, it doesn't have to be on Medium, but it can be anywhere else. But Medium is in one of the example, and this author, he makes like $11,000 per month. And here's how he writes his journey, what he learned from it. And he got like here it's called clap, but on Facebook it's called likes, and he has like 60,000 likes. So that way he earns very much money. So another way to work from home is here you can work also for Apple. So a very reliable and prestigious company to work for. So for example, here is also an open position where you can work from as a German-speaking customer service representative. This is in Cork, so which means an island in Europe. But there are also open positions like in Los Angeles here. Episode home advisor, so you also work at home, but with the special language skills. In this case, it is Japanese. It can also be like Korean. And there are lots of openings here, not only in Los Angeles, not only in the States, but not all over the world, but in many cities. So also Singapore, Cantonese work at home. So this is working for Apple. And Apple is not the only company looking for remote jobs. Offering remote jobs. Amazon is also one of them. So Amazon, for example, also offers jobs like virtual customer service in the States. Also Portuguese. In Germany, home office. Well, in Germany it's called home office. So in English-speaking countries, they call it remote jobs. And let's see. This is also another example how to work at home. And another way to work from home is to work as virtual assistant. And here's also a quick description what it is. It is like from apartment settings to travel arrangement to research, virtual assistants tackle a wide variety of administrative tasks. So yeah, Remote is also one of the most popular websites like Monster or Indeed. So here you can find remote jobs from entry-level freelancing also to senior jobs. And another way you can work from home is, so if you consider like changing your entire career, you can work as a web developer, and the skills to learn it, you can learn it from here, from Free Code Camp. It's totally free. You just have to put the hours to learn these skills. And here it says it already exists like 6 years ago and has like 40,000 students graduated from this online course. And yeah, there are many people, many big companies hiring them, like Apple, Google, etc. So yeah, if you want to change your career entirely to web development, you can learn it from here. It's for free. All you need is dedication. You have to put much effort to it, because it can take like 3 months full time to get to go through all these courses, but it's worth it. You have a new career, a nice job, and you can work from wherever you want to. So that's basically it. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos. Cheers.